Namaste बच्चों, myself Jivin Dr. Monica Trivedi. I am from Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So students, today's topic is vibrational spectroscopy. The vibrational spectroscopy is a key experimental technique to use the probe the vibrational modes, the normal modes of materials. The Raman spectroscopy is commonly used in chemistry to provide a fingerprint by which the molecule can be identified. It can be used to explore the relative composition of a material, that is, relatively concentration of a known compound in a solution. Spectroscopy widely used in industry and quality assurance. It is a key technique in condensed matter research. The simple harmonic motion, you can see that the atom connected via chemical bond are equivalent to the masses connected by the spring. We can describe this use the Hooke's law, where Q is a displacement of atom away from the position. Okay, from the Newton's second law, F is equals to KQ. Okay, where mu is the reduced mass. Okay, the F is equals to d square Q by dt square, and dt square Q by dt square d square Q by dt square plus k Q is equals to 0. If we generalize this equation, we will get that Qt is equals to A cos mu y t. Okay, and mu y t is equals to K by Q. So, from the classical to the quantum, if two nuclei are slightly displaced from the equilibrium position, where the x is equals to r minus r e. Okay, the Vx is equals to V0 plus x dV by dx plus 1 by 2 x square d square V by dx square plus 1 by 3 x square d3 V by dx3. Okay. For this, the absolute potential is V is equals to 0. At the equilibrium, dV dx is equal to 0, and the potential minimum, the providing displacement is small. The third order term can be neglected, and we will get that Vx1 by 2 kx square and k is equals to d square V by dx square. Now the potential, now we insert the potential into time independence Schrodinger equation. Ex is equals to 1 by 2 del square plus Vx x. Okay, and for this equation we will find the quantized solution. Now the vibration, here you can see the displacement from the one energy level to the another energy level. Here you can see the potential energy V and the displacement from the one energy level to the another energy level. For this kind of molecules, the selection rule detected for the harmonic oscillator transition are only allowed for del n is equals to 1 plus minus 1. Now the molecule have many different vibrational modes. For example, in a CO2 molecule, the CO2 is a linear molecule. Here you can see it is a molecule in a first diagram. The second diagram is an asymmetric stretch of the molecule. The third one is a banding molecule which is in a different modes, and the third one is a symmetric stretching. Okay, in the second diagram you can see the stretching, the asymmetric stretching. The molecule is going here, the molecule is going here, but this molecule is going in this direction. Okay, in this molecule the stretching is this molecule is going in this direction, and these two are going in a opposite direction. Okay, in a third molecule, it is a symmetric stretching. Okay, like molecule going in a similar directions. Okay, so they are going outer, both molecule going outer side. Okay, so the mode frequency depend on the mass of the atom and the bond stiffness and the type of the vibration involves the stretching, rocking and the breathing. Okay. In another example, the light molecule interaction, how the light and the molecule interacted with each other. Okay, so for this we have to discuss about the polarizability. Okay, during the interaction between light and a molecule, the incident wave induced a dipole, which is a P, given by a expression P. Okay, and P is expressed as equals to E. And E here is the strength of EM wave. The polarizability is the tendency of an electron cloud to be distorted by a field. The EM field of incident wave at angular frequency omega 0 can be expressed using E bar is equals to E naught cos mu 0 t. Here is mu. Okay, and here is also a mu. Now, so the time depend includes the dipole moment is P is equals to E0 cos mu 0 t. Now, when a molecule bond undergo the vibration and its characteristic frequency mu vibe, omega vibe, the atoms undergo a displacement dq around their equilibrium position q node. Here dq is equals to q node cos omega vibe t, and this diagram you can see the distance between first the distance is q0, and after the displacement it will q0 plus dq. Okay, for the small displacement we can express the change in a polarizability using the Taylor series. We will get omega, we will get here q0 plus omega y by q dt. Okay, and here it will be alpha. Okay, alpha node plus q dq by q, and here alpha 0 is plus q dq by q cos